I've had a lot of business owners and web designers ask me, Faith, where do I get a website that offers free.com domain with hosting? In this video, I'm going to review 3 websites where you can get free.com domain for 1 year without paying a dime. So consider subscribing to this channel and watch this video till the end, because I'm going to give you a bonus you wouldn't want to miss. My name is Faith. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners digital marketing, web design, and e-commerce. If these are things you love, consider subscribing, and let's dive in. So to get the best website that offers you free.com domain with hosting, just come to your browser and type faithamole.com/hostinger. Just come here and type faithamole.com/hostinger. Hostinger is one of the best hosting companies I've ever used. For most of my clients, over 200 clients, I've used Hostinger to host their website, and they will always give you free domain names for the next 1 year. You're not going to pay for this. So as soon as you land here, as you can see, you're also getting extra 20% discount if you use this link I've already called out here. I'm also going to put that link in the description of this video. Just click on it to come here. Just click on claim deal. So you're going to choose any of the hosting plans that you want. The most popular one you can go for is this one. As you can see, you're getting 76% off, and you're hosting for 3.29 per month. 3 months free is given to you if you are using my link. You can see what you're getting here. These are free stuffs you're going to get here. You're going to get free email for the first 1 year. You can see it here. All right, so click on choose plan. So that's the next thing you will do. As soon as that is done, it's going to bring you to this particular page. Let's open. Okay, so you're going to pick the particular period you want to host. I would advise you go for at least 1 year, which is 12 months, or you go for 24 months, or if you like, you can go for 3 years. 12 months is just 1 year. So whichever one you want, the higher the duration, the lesser the price you get. You can see, great news, you've got a free domain for 1 year, and it is .com domain. So many other domain registrars will never give you, hosting companies will never give you .com domain for free. So Hostinger will give you that, and also give you a massive discount. As you can see, with my referral code, you are getting 20% off, which is this here, as you can see, for the next 1 year. Assuming you go for 2 years, let's see what you're going to get in return. As you can see, you are getting 20% discount as well. This is absolutely amazing. So what you will do is just to click on it to go. By the way, I have a complete video on this channel that teaches how to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger. It's a detailed video you can watch on this video. I'm going to go back now. I will not be able to log in, but in that video you're going to watch it, and I will link it in the description of this video, and it will also pop up on the screen here. All you have to do is just to click on it, make sure you purchase your domain and hosting, and you enjoy this amazing offer here. See you in my next video.